Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix PDF preview pane not working in Windows 11. So as you can see here we have our PDF. The first thing you need to do is go to here to view, click on it, and then make sure that preview pane is selected, click on it. Then go here to preview on the top right corner, click on it. If this doesn't fix your problem, so all you need to do is click on the three dots here and click on options. From here select view and make sure always show icons never thumbnail is not selected. Then scroll down until you find show preview handles in preview pane is selected. Then click apply. This should solve your problem. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.